Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me are BaseUs Bowie MA10 headphones, and I'm going to show you how to easily manage your ANC level. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to remove our headphones from our case, because you want them to be connected with our phone. Now we have to go into BaseUs app, and now we have to click on our device. BaseUs called ANC ambient sound, so we have to click on ambient sound. Now there are a lot of options, for example active noise reduction mode or ambient sound, full ambient sound. We can go into full ANC mode and we can choose indoor, custom, and choose between our noise reduction depth or outdoor. These are already presets and you can create your own by clicking custom. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.